What's happening, everybody? So in the previous episode, what I did was I introduced a tool, which is the number 0, with the idea that there is some truth in everything. Take what you need, leave the rest aside. Cool? Right. And I also dropped the perspective that said life. Life itself, life is a spiritual thing. Now, what I'm going to do is, for the next couple of episodes, I'm going to drop a tool that we could use to operate in this playground, just like how a chef has his knives and his pots and pans, in the kitchen. The footballer has the boots, and the keeper has the gloves and the ball for the football field. So in this playground of ours, we have these tools that we use to play around with, to operate within this atmosphere. So the next tool is the number 1. And number 1 has the idea that we are all one and the same. Now, scientifically, right, what holds all these bodies together, our bodies together? We have atoms, subatomic particles, and all these kind of things, but at the basis of everything, we have energy. That's really the thing that's binding all these other building blocks of life together, right? And so at the basis of you and me, of this camera, this table, chair, everything is energy that's holding the atoms together and giving it identity and stuff like that. So at the basis of everything, energy, from that perspective, we can really consider the fact that we might actually be all one and the same, right? And the idea is that we all come from the same place, right? And traditions have all kinds of names for this thing. Like the Hindus call it Brahman, the Islam call it Allah, the Christians call it God. A lot of people call it God. Some people call it Source, or the cosmos, the universe, right? And this is the perspective that I want to drop for this episode. Here's where it gets a little bit interesting. So we're all one and the same. We all come from the same place, and some traditions call this Source or God. So we could say that God is one, right? There's only one God. Fair enough. We'll give you that argument. The question is, if God is one, then who is 0? Think about it. Let me know what you think. Comment box below. Haters, comment box below. Like and subscribe if you vibe with this tribe. I'll see you next.